Hi Kim, this is Christina. This is the video that I mentioned about in the Facebook group on offering some suggestions on how to improve your online presence and also doing an SEO audit. So I did a little bit of research. I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in. Now, as we know, any consumer, if they're looking for a product or a service, they go to Google right away and they type in a keyword in the search bar there, excuse me. For example, your future client's going to be typing in CBD intimate oil, for example. Now, let me show you some areas within Google that are really important. As you can see here over to the side, these are Google ads, and these are Google ads as well. And from looking just by doing that keyword search alone, it looks like Google Ads would definitely be beneficial for your type of industry or your type of product, possibly even Facebook ads. I'm not really sure with the CBD. I'd have to check a little bit on the guidelines, but definitely beneficial to get your visibility for your company, right? Because I think I noticed that you are a new company, so definitely get that visibility. Facebook ads would be great too, just doing those awareness ads. So you get kind of hit your demographic, right? And just becoming aware of your products and your brand would be really beneficial. Of course, then hit them up with those conversion ads, right? So converting them to your website to purchase a product. And that's something that we do. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But for this video, I'm just going to focus on SEO, right? So your Google search presence, your visibility, and as far as traffic going to your site, okay? Now, as we see here, this section right here, as we go down, these are what we call organic listings. Now, these are websites that have Google's requirement of 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their homepage. Now, it's really important to have content on your homepage, especially having that minimum amount for a number of reasons. Number one, what drives the content are the keywords within it. So, like for example, if you have CBD intimacy oil or intimate oil, all over your homepage, you're going to come up within the search results for that, right? So number one, that's really helpful to get your site indexed for that keyword or any type of keyword that you have interest in or that has high traffic volume. Um, and then also too, having a good amount of content, Google bots stay on your site, right? So Google bots, they crawl websites 24/7. The more content that you have, the longer they stay on your site and the more keywords you're indexed for. So different types of products, right? Different keywords to where you target the different types of products that you carry. So there's a variety of different keywords, the type of, not necessarily just CBD, but other type of ingredients, right? Where you want to target possibly hemp even just by, and I don't really know, I'll have to kind of dive a little bit into your website, but just as an example, by the different types of products you have on your site, that really helps really broaden your customer outreach because you're able to get indexed for those search terms as well. Okay. I believe whenever I scroll through here, so yes, so you are right there. So you're definitely on the first page, right? So that is ideal because consumers do not get past the first page when looking for a company to reach out to or a product to buy, right? Or a company to research when they're looking for a product. So that is definitely perfect. Of course, you definitely want to get within the top here. And as you can see here, these are ads. So getting within this top section here would really be beneficial, of course, because that really enhances your visibility and gets customers to see your business and then, of course, going to your website and converting to a customer, right? That's what you want. And there's a couple different ways on how to do that, but let me take a look at your website to see what you have going on so I can kind of pinpoint what may be able to help you. So overall, great website. I love your logo, by the way, and I I love your business name for this type of company. Absolutely love it. Um, Color scheme, great. Now this is a little bit blurry. I don't know if it's mainly on my laptop, but just a heads up there. I would maybe like minimize that a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. But overall, I mean, I think you have a beautiful website. It would just be the main thing that I noticed is getting the content on there, right? So, um, and now I see your products, which that's absolutely beautiful. You definitely want that on the forefront. But as you scroll down, definitely have more content, right? So that minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, getting that keyword on there or keywords, that'll help get you more visibility online. Okay. And then also too, it's great to have a blog. So I'm not going to kind of really go too much on your site. So I would do blogs or blog posts where you have post about the benefits of CBD, right? Why, even like a product, like a promotional product. So each month or each week, do a different type of product that you offer and really explain the benefits of it. And that really helps get you keywords within that content as well. And then about, let me just look here. Oh, you're absolutely beautiful. That is a wonderful photo. And as you can see, this is good content. This is probably more personalized, which that's still great. I would maybe put the keywords in there. So as we see like CBD, right, I would bold them. That would make them stand out. For some reason, I don't know, Google tends to index them more if they're bolded. Um, MCT, or oh, I'm sorry. Well, if you do have a product, I'm sorry, I'm just kind of scrolling. But any type of keyword that would bring traffic to your site. But a lot of people do actually use a lot of MCT oil. So that could possibly be a keyword to get to your site, but definitely focus on getting keywords in your content would really help. Okay. And then you have your social media. Okay, perfect. Now, looking at the behind the scenes to your site. Now, this is a paid program I pay for every month. It pays me. It helps me with my research and my website audits. Now, this is the data to what's going on behind the scenes to your website, right? How well your website is working for you, because essentially that's what we want it to do, right? We want it to, get more visibility for our business. We want it to help us grow our business, right? To get traffic to the site. So we really want our website to work for us. And as you can see here, this is the amount of traffic you're getting to your site every month. That's still a good amount of traffic, so that's every month. And based off of the keywords that you are utilizing on your sites to improve or to optimize your site, excuse me. Now let's just take a look here to see how you're ranking. Now, as you can see here, of course, you're ranking for the top position for your brand name, but as you get into like erotic oil, that's a good amount of traffic volume, not a lot of competition, and you're in the fourth position, so that's great. That really enhances your visibility because you're in that top position there, right? So you're getting a large amount of those consumers going to your site. But as you get, well, so CBD intimate oil, there's not a lot of traffic volume. Okay. That one's a little bit less. And this is where it's broken down in the type of product, right? So pear lotion, um, CBD lip gloss. Okay, so that's a really good traffic volume keyword. Not a lot of competition, so that makes it easy to rank for, but you're in the 17th position. So that would definitely be a keyword I would get more on your site or within that product page, so that you're able to rank within the top position for that. CBD lubricant. I mean, that's a really high volume keyword. However, there is a lot of competition. Not necessarily difficult to rank for. It would just take more time, right? It's a process. It would probably take a couple months, but that would definitely be one to get more on your website. So as you can see here, there's different keywords that have different amount of traffic volume. Some are more beneficial than others to get on your site to really help improve your visibility. But overall, you still have a decent amount of traffic going to your site. Now, taking a look at one of your competitors here, the Bloomy, I just found them within the organics, and they were running, or they are running a Google ad, by the way. So as you can see, look at the difference in traffic here. Look at the amount of keywords they have on their site, right? And this is, again, the amount of traffic every month. That's definitely significant. So I just wanted to look here quickly to see. So of course, these are all branded. We're not really focusing on those. Okay, that's toys, heated vibrators. Um, so I didn't really look too much on her website, so I don't know if she actually has products per se. So that really would probably factor in the amount of traffic she has onto her site. So I'd have to take a little look of the actual traffic she's getting for the CBD products, but I know this company here, they are strictly CBD type of products like you have, not necessarily having products on here like pleasure products or toys, right? So, and they are also running an ad as well. Now, as you can see here, this is the data of what's going on the behind the scenes to their website, right? And look at that amount of traffic that they are getting every month. They also have a lot of keywords compared to so almost 10,000 compared to you have about 200, right? So there's definitely a significant difference there, but totally doable, right? So you just get more content on your site. Getting keywords that have that high traffic volume will really enhance your visibility. So definitely some good high potential of getting traffic volume to your site. I mean, that is a significant amount and totally doable for your website to really grow your business. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I also do recommend for your type of industry that running Google ads and Facebook ads would really be beneficial. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you take care. Bye-bye.